everyone, welcome back to another video on this channel. In this video we are going to basically perform keyword research using another tool. This is Keyword Everywhere. This is very useful Chrome extension. Basically it is a Chrome extension that can be used for quick keyword research analysis. This is basically integrated on your browser sidebar, and you can have multiple ideas and long tail keyword ideas at the same time using your browser. So let's begin today's tutorial. We are on the basically browser. We can write the keyword everywhere. You can basically simply download and install its extension for Chrome and for Firefox browser as well. So you can go for pricing. This is basically paid tool. You can simply go with the $10 plan where you will given 100,000 credits, and for $50 you will be given 500,000 credits, and similarly for $100 you will be given 1 million credits. So these credits can be used for a whole year. If you are a newbie and you are a beginner, you're not using so many, you're not performing keyword research in bulk, so you can use with this plan. I also go with the $10 plan because it is basically enough for me to perform keyword research for up to 3 to 4 months. The keyword extension that will be indicated here. Okay, in this setting you can basically target few countries like Australia, Canada, India, New Zealand, South Africa, United Kingdom, and United States. And my favorite option is global, especially when you are targeting informational based content. Then you can go globally because same information is being searched by the user around the globe, especially if it is related to educational industry. So in case if you want to target United States, you can go with the United States location. You have to turn it on. Okay, you can see this is my email. This is registered on, and we have left 30 to 3,000 credit. Let's start how we can perform the keyword research. First of all, you have to select the your target location. Like in this case, I have selected United States, and let's begin how we can perform keyword research using keywords everywhere. So we will begin with any basic need, the type of need you are going to work. For example, we are going to talk about gaming laptop. Okay, gaming laptops, and it is giving us the volume like 150 searches per month with the CPC of 332. And on the sidebar you can see the trend of this search volume is going down. And then there are some keywords ideas by the keywords everywhere extension. These are the related keywords. You can see gaming laptops in Pakistan, gaming laptop price in Pakistan, because our default location is Pakistan. That's why it is showing us the result from Pakistan as well. So gaming laptop price in Pakistan, and there are the long tail keywords which are easy to rank. Okay, basically you can see there are multiple variations of this keyword. So this is the method that you can use. Otherwise you can basically write your main primary keyword into search bar of Google, and then give a space. You can have multiple suggestion by keywords everywhere with the volume and keyword difficulty, and also the trend is being shown. And if you hover your mouse cursor on the trend, you can have the overall results of past 12 months. Like in this case it is showing that in January 2022 it was the searches were up to 4,800. So you can have the idea of the trend, that how these searches are performing in basically in search engine. This is the method that can be used for your keyword research. But it is very reliable tool. It is very productive tool, especially when you don't know you are basically at the stage of searching keyword for your website. For example, in this case we have written gaming laptops, but in the suggesting related keywords you can have that there are other keywords that are related to your primary keywords. You can also target these keywords. And similarly people also search for gaming laptop price in Pakistan. So these are all the keywords that are being shown by keywords everywhere. It means you don't need to basically perform keyword research analysis for every single query. And this is my favorite. This is the long tail keyword section, and you can see this is the gaming laptop, best gaming laptops. So it is also giving you some more ideas So you can simply click on, for example, if you are talking about gaming laptop deals, gaming laptop 2022, gaming laptop Dell. So you can click on any keyword. In this case, I'm going to click on a gaming laptop Dell. In this keyword, basically the user is searching for gaming laptop by Dell company. So you can have that there are 12,100 searches per month, and with the good CPC of 203 rupees, basically it is almost equal to $1, 1 USD. You can see the trend as well. The trend is very constant. Every month it has keyword searches from 10,000 to 14,000 maximum. So it is a basically constantly a constant keyword that is being searched months over months. Even on the graph, you can see the trend is increasing. Okay, so it gives you the trend, basically gives you the idea either you should work on this keyword or not. Because if you're going to target a keyword whose trend is just basically going towards down, so you just don't need to target. It means it is not a green evergreen content. So you will have to basically avoid such keywords whose trend is basically decreasing. Here come other ideas. For example, we have entered gaming laptop Dell. You can have some more ideas by the keywords everywhere. And in second section of people also search, you can have some idea with the volume and CPC as well. And here comes the long tail keyword searches, and you can see this key is also related to Dell company. And you can see you can target, basically you can create a cluster of your keywords that you can target. For example, in this case, gaming laptop Dell, you can have multiple keywords related to gaming laptops by Dell. So you can basically create a cluster. You can target these keywords into your pillar page as well. Another advantage of this keyword everywhere extension is you can also perform bulk keyword research. Simply you need to click on the icon of extension and click on the bulk keywords. So you will be redirected to a window. So you can simply paste your keywords here like gaming laptops, gaming laptops by Dell, gaming laptops by Lenovo. So for this, we are going to click on get metrics. So you can see it is a basically a bulk keyword research tool. If you have a cluster of topics, you can directly go to this option and search for this. So you have some filters available. You can basically, you can basically apply some filter. You can basically you can write the minimum value and the maximum value for this keyword. So in this case, you can see we have entered three keywords, and we are basically having the data by the keyword everywhere. So this is the thing that it is very important, especially when you are performing keyword research for your topic clusters. So you can basically save your keyword and to all keywords. You can highlight a keyword. You can copy these keyword. You can download into Excel format and CSV, PDF, and you can even print these keywords using your printer. This is all about today's tutorial. In this tutorial, we have discussed an important tool for keyword research, and it is very cheaper tool but very productive. I'm talking on the behalf of my experience. I always prefer using keyword everywhere to beginners, because beginners can basically easily find some good keywords using keyword everywhere. This is all for today's lecture. In the next lecture, we'll be discussing about keyword research using another tool. Till that, see you in the next video.